Good morning, children. I welcome you for the today's session. Today, the date is 12/12/2020 and day is Saturday. Class 4, subject is Science. In the Science, we are continuing with the lesson 5, Food and Digestion. There are two topics left in the lesson 5. We'll discuss that. The topics are preparation and preservation of food. Let us start, children. Okay, it's a preparation and preservation of food. Then, in that starting, I'll give you few tips for proper digestion. Okay, we have seen a digestion process of digestion. Now we'll see tips for proper digestion. Have your food at a fixed hours means you should have your food at a proper time, fixed time. You should not have in between. Chew your food well before swallowing. Chew the food well before swallowing. Eat a lot of green vegetables and fruits. You should have more green vegetables and fruits in your food. These three are very important. Okay, having a food in a fixed time, food, chewing a food well, then use more green vegetables and fruit. Do not overeat. Okay, children, please do not overeat. Okay, you take how much is necessary. Drink plenty of water because water helps to the digestion. So please drink more water even after food or before meal. Take up more water. This will help for digestion. These are the few tips for proper digestion. Now we'll see in the food and digestion preparing food and preservation. See, you can see the picture, children. Some fruits we can have raw. Some food we must cook. Okay, how the omelette there, drying the omelette, no, like that we need to cook. Okay, there is variety of cooking that we'll see now. Preparing food. Fruits and certain vegetables are eaten raw, but we should wash them properly before eating so as to free them from dust and germs. Okay, before washing the fruits and vegetables raw, you should wash it. Food like rice and potatoes are boiled, idlis are steamed, while puris are fried. These are different types of cooking. Potatoes, brinjals, and meat. Cooking makes food soft, tasty, and easy to digest. It also kills germs. Okay, this also kills the germs. Things to remember: do not throw water which pulses are soaked. It contains vitamins, so better use it for cooking. Do not wash vegetables and fruits after cutting them. Before cutting, you should wash, or not after cutting. Then, while boiling, take only required quantity of water so that water which has absorbed the nutrient is not thrown away. Do not overcook too much. Roasting or frying destroys nutrients. Okay. Now we'll see. See, you can see the pickles. Okay, they used cucumber, but we'll use mangoes, lemon, and all. No, why we'll make a this one pickles? Okay, pickling is a method of preservation. We, the Indians, will make a pickles using lemon, mangoes. It is one of the method of preservation. Let us see what is preservation. Okay, the process of treating food in a way that preserves its value for a long time is called preservation. The process of treating food in a way that preserves its values for a long time is called preservation. Just remember this statement. Food is valuable, and if not preserved, it may begin to spoil. Okay, if you didn't preserve it properly, it will begin to spoil. cooked and uncooked food can be preserved in a different way. Okay, this cooked and uncooked food can be preserved in a different way. There are different methods. One is refrigeration. Okay, first thing we can keep in a refrigerator at a low temperature. Then boiling. Okay, some like milk and all will boil and keep. Okay, that canning means covering with a bottle. Okay, airtight bottle, keeping in airtight bottle. Pickling, I said adding a salt. It is also called salting. Okay, you can add a salt. For fish also you can add salt. Then for pickle we'll add more salt so that it will preserve. Then jellying is make it as a jelly so we can preserve. That is also one of the method. Then drying like rotis and chapatis will make it dry. Then dry fruits will preserve by drying, correct? Those fruits, if we keep it raw it will destroy. Will dry and keep. So drying is also one of the method. Even ragi, this wheat, rice and all will dry and keep so that we can keep for a long time. Drying is also one of the method of preservation. These are the few method of preservation. Here is the end of your lesson 5, food and digestion. Remaining in the next class, we'll start with the lesson 6, that one as the last lesson. Thank you children. Study well. All the best.